Alright, we're here in Santa Ana doing a sewer lateral inspection. No mainline clean out. So we're going through the roof. They have a 4-inch cast iron roof stack. Alright, so it looks like it's going to be the original cast iron piping. Yeah, you can see there it's got a lot of scale buildup. It's definitely got potential for clogging. Yeah, even the camera's having a hard time just pushing through this line. That may be a clean out. We'll locate that and see if they have a mainline clean out in the front yard. When we pull back, we'll locate that, but we're already in the line, so we're just going to see if we can push out to the city connection. So this looks like it might be Orangeburg piping. Yeah, see, it has these like kind of blisters on it, and I haven't seen any connections. So yeah, see how it's pretty much tacoed right here. So this is Orangeburg piping, and there's lots of problems with it. The thing is, you can't really attach to it. You can't really do a liner in it. You can't really do much with it other than pipe burst it or replacing the pipe. If you try to hydrojet it or anything like that, it just the pipe ends up kind of falling apart on you. Yeah, this is definitely Orangeburg. So we'll locate out front and come up with the options for repair on that. You can see the big blisters on it where the tar paper, it's basically just like tar cardboard paper kind of mashed together, and it over time it just starts to swell up like that and fail. Yeah, for this one, we'll probably have to get with the city and see who's responsible for the stuff out in the street. Because I don't see a transition to clay. It looks like it's going all the way out. There's definitely a connection there. Yeah, we'd most likely just dig it up where the sidewalk is and pipe burst that section to the house and then do a liner on what's in the street. Okay, we got to do some extra locating. This one is a little different. It runs diagonally across the front yard, but we got some good photos of it where it's located. So that right here is where it meets the sidewalk, about 5 feet deep. We'd have to get with the city and see if they cover sidewalk out or not. Kind of have to go from there as far as what's out in the street, but it's Orangeburg all the way out to the middle of the street. We could not find a clean out, so whatever T that is, it's probably just a buried test Y. And then we'd obviously definitely recommend to descale this cast iron line. Most likely install a liner in it as well. Probably as far back as we can to the first connection. probably all the way to there, and have to reinstate the kitchen and laundry line. Yeah, that was the toilet.